Hi guys, so I got asked pretty often of how to take out the GPU or how to take out the AIO and things like that. So I think it would be pretty nice to share with you guys how to tear down this whole PC. And before doing anything, make sure to unplug your power and press your power button for a few seconds to release the power left in your PC. And since the back cover is magnetic, so we can just take it out like that. And to open the side panel, we need to lose this screw right here. And then we can go ahead and pull it, and the side panel is gonna pop open. And after the side panel pop open, we can just remove it. To remove this bracket right here, you will see a lock. So simply just switch to the left side and pull it. And you will slide out like this. And to take out the case fan, we need to first unplug all the powers. Here's one, and here's another one. And here's a third one for the top one. To take out the fans, we need to press this blue tab and then pull it like so. Here's our first. And for the upper one, same procedure. Press the blue tab and take out like that. So my fan is the aftermarket one, but they work the same. There's no screw. So you want to take out the fans, just unplug those rubber bands off the fan like that. Do it for each four corners, and then the fan is out of the bracket. And now let's take out the topper one, pull up this tab, and then same thing, press the blue tab, and the fan is gonna release like so. And to remove the RAM, you will see two tabs on each side. So we just want to press that, and press the other end too. And then you can just grab the RAM, take out like that. Take out the other one. And now let's get this side panel right here. So hold your case and pull it to the other side, just like that. And now let's get the top cover. So place your hand like this and press your thumb and lift it up like so. And to remove the front panel, we need to first unplug the power, which is right here. Unplug it, and we can get it out of the cable holder. And there we go. And to remove the front panel, we just need to release three tabs. 1, 2, and 3. So release them, and then just pull it. On the other side will pop open. Grab it, but be careful your cable. There we go. And let's unplug all the power here. And now let's remove this RGB bar. We have one screw in the front, and there's another one at the back. Now we can just press this guy and make sure it's out of the bracket and press it in, make some angles, and then we can get it out. And now let's take out all the bracket for the storage. And now let's disconnect the power from the side. And then we can rod this in there so we can take out the power supply. And here are 4 screws on the back for the power supply, so let's unscrew it. And then we can remove this GPU holder, just unlock it and pull it. And here are 2 more screws for the power supply bracket, so let's take it out. And now we can take out the bracket, just lift it up, pull it, like so. Remove all the cables from the brackets. And now let's disconnect the power from the GPU. And also the power for the motherboard. There we go. And now we can get a cable out of the cable holder right behind it. Open the tab, so all the power cable is released. And now we can grab the cables with the power supply. Just like that. As you guys can see, here's a little tab right here. So to remove the GPU, we need to first press that down, like so. And now unlock this guy, which holds our GPU right here. And now we can go ahead and pull the GPU out, just like so. And now we can work on the AIO. Let's first unplug all the powers. There are a total of 4 cables that you need to unplug. So there's one screw that we need to take, which is right here. And then we need to unscrew 4 screws right here. And if you look closely, you will see number on each corner. That indicates which screw you need to unscrew first. So it goes like 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so let's unscrew the first one. And then we go to the second one. And the third one is right here. And then the last one right here. So you want to hold your cooler as you're doing this. You don't want it to fall and break anything. Okay, once unscrewed, it's out. And then we can use our other hand to pull the fan out of the bracket like so. And now let's remove our cooler Wi-Fi card so we can remove the motherboard and just unplug it and get it out of the brackets. You can leave aside or somewhere safe. And all we have left is the M2 SSD and also the CPU. And these two are pretty easy, so I'm gonna leave in there. And let's work on the motherboard. And to take out the motherboard, we need to remove 10 screws. There's 9 in here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's another one right here, which is the 10th one. So let's remove this one first, so we can release all the IOs. Just pull it, like so. And now let's just remove other 9 screws. So after remove all 10 screws, we can just grab the motherboard and grab it a little bit. And then we can get it out, just like so. Alright guys, so here's our motherboard, the all-in-one cooler, our GPU, RAM, the storage brackets, the fans, and our power supply, the front panel, and our case. And I hope this video helps for anything that you want to do to this R13. And now I need to call Dell to send a technician, help me to put everything back. And now let's see who is the lucky guy. Ding ding ding! Congratulations, Chamzoom! Woohoo!